How was that? What do you think?
It was fun. It's a little bit of the opposite.
Yeah?
It's like, the funny part is you're at the same level as a semi-truck.
Yeah.
We're driving around, I think that truck probably gets more attention than the car.
Alright guys, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and I'm backing up our F350. I've got a buddy of mine, Ryan, who wants to check this truck out and take it for a drive. And I just saw him pull up, so I am pulling this thing out very carefully. And we're gonna see his reaction and see if we can convince him to trade in his Lamborghini Huracan on this truck. Let's see what his reaction is when we pull up next to his car. There it is, tiny little Huracan. So here we've got Ryan's Huracan and the monster truck. Just for a little size comparison, it looks like a little toy car. Look at that. For size comparison, up to the size of the tire. So we got to see Ryan here, who's daily drives a Huracan. We got to see you get in this truck. He's gonna do a running jump. There you go, look at that. One smooth motion. Okay, so now we gotta see you get in the bag.
I'm not gonna be able to get up this. Because I need that. Can I get on the passenger side really quick?
Yeah, you can get on the driver's side, yeah. Maybe close the other door, yeah, there you go. And then you'll have to climb through the back. There you go. Now grab the steering wheel. There you go. Okay, hop in and we'll take it for a drive. Yeah, little tiny. It's like a little toy down there. That little blue toy. Okay, so I will tell you, you're coming out of like one of the best handling cars in the world, and you are going into, no lie, the worst handling vehicle you've ever driven.
I used to drive semi-trucks, so
this will be handled worse.
So funny.
This is street legal, obviously.
Oh yeah.
This is street legal.
Holy fuck.
I feel like I'm in a tower. I feel like I'm just in a moving tower.
It's like a little like...
This fucking thing's like lopsided. Dual tiny dick game.
You can't even like fully see the spectrum.
I think this thing gets more attention than the Huracan.
For sure it does. I've never been in something that gets more attention than this. So
Yo, look at this guy. Yo, little truck.
So yeah, I would just go around Deerfoot Meadows because you can't really take this thing anywhere. So funny story, I actually drove this back from Kamloops.
Oh my god. This thing would have been a fucking nightmare.
It was because nobody would ship it because of the height. And like, you know, those tunnels, there's like 6 tunnels coming back. So I was like, fuck, I'll drive it back. I was like, whatever, right? And what a fucking, like,
you probably had to like stop just to make sure you had clearance.
I didn't realize, you're good. I didn't realize how big it was.
That's what she said.
At first until I got there. And like, then when you drive it, you're like, fuck, this thing does 50 or 60 max. So it was like 13 or 14 hours home. It was terrible.
Oh my god. What is this lumping? Hold on, I'm gonna go into the IKEA parking lot.
Sure. Hey, you really gotta plan your exits driving this thing.
Oh yeah.
I'm not getting in and out of this thing.
Should we do this one too?
Sure, it's up to you, man.
He's like, this is
It's a sidewalk. That's all I I think Ryan's gonna get us banned. I'll film him. I got this. We're good. Well, I guess I'll walk back and get his Huracan.
I'm definitely not gonna be in the car when you guys drive it or something.
The only person in the car when we're driving over is me.
Okay, good.
Just for liability.
Okay, good. I was like, ah.
Are you doing like straight on?
Yeah, but with 2 cars so we can actually get full on and drive over.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
At least he can see you.
Dude, we're fired.
I would just park it out front and leave it running.
I'm so excited.
All right, so how was that? What do you think?
It was fun. It's a little bit of the opposite.
Yeah?
It's like, the funny part is you're at the same level as a semi truck.
Yeah.
We're driving around, I think that truck probably gets more attention than the car.
So what do you think? Should we do a trade? We'll work out a deal? Trade in your Huracan for this? No? Come on.
You need like 5 of them, maybe.
Yeah, well, we'll give you cash back. We'll give you this plus some cash and you can get out of your Huracan, get into this bad boy. So that's a no. All right, guys. It's a no from Ryan. He's gonna keep his Huracan. And with that, maybe we'll go crush some cars.
Keep coming! Keep coming!
Taking off. Let's see if he launches it like I want him to. Thanks. See ya. That's exactly what I was thinking. Catch you guys on the next one.